A rectangular picture frame is 4 inches wider than it is high and has an area of 221 square inches. A. Write an equation whose solution gives the height of the picture frame. B. Solve the equation in part A. And C. Find the perimeter of the picture frame. So I've drawn a picture frame in which I've labeled the height as x, and therefore the width is x plus 4. I've also noted that the area of the picture is 221 and it's square inches. To find the area, we multiply the height times the width, or in other words, x times x plus 4, and we know that area is equal to 221. Now, part B, we're to solve that equation. So the first thing I'll do is to distribute the x to get x squared plus 4x equals 221. The next step would be to get a 0 on one side. The easiest way to do that is to subtract 221. And so we'll have x squared plus 4x minus 221 equals 0. Now we factor the left-hand side, which I'll do over here. We know it's going to factor into x and x. That gives us the x squared. The factors of 221 are 17 and 13. I'll make it plus 17 and minus 13 because that gives us a middle term of plus 4x. Now, if we have the product of two numbers equals 0, then either one of them is equal to 0. However, since x represents a height of negative 17 does not make sense for our particular application, and therefore the height would be 13 inches. In addition, we can now say that the width, which is x plus 4, would be 17 inches. So we have the height is 13 and the width is 17. For part C, we were to find the perimeter, and the perimeter of a rectangle in this case would be 2 times the height plus 2 times the width. And we have that the height is 13 and the width is 17. So it's 2 times 13, which is 26, plus 2 times 17, which is 34. And so the perimeter would be equal to 60 inches.